Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. How are you all dear students? Good? Fine? Okay, very good. So, we will start with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook dear all. Yes, we will continue with our chapter number 7, that is patterns. What? Patterns. Okay. So students, in our last period we have completed till here. Okay, we have learnt increasing and decreasing order. Sorry, patterns. What is increasing and decreasing patterns? Increasing याने बढ़ते हुए, ओके, बढ़ाते जाना, and decreasing कम करना, increasing more, decreasing less. Okay, so examples also I have shown you. Now we will start with practice time 2. Okay, come on. First question, draw the next one to extend the pattern. See, here you have to draw the next to extend the pattern. Here they have followed the pattern. So whatever here missing is there you have to draw. Okay. See, here how many beads are there? Circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Now here in next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 is increased. Okay. Then here after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. So here 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7? Yes, if in 7 you will increase 1, what comes? देखो यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस में एक बढ़ाया है उन्होंने, तो यहाँ पे देखो 4 में और एक बढ़ाया तो 5 हो गए, 5 में एक बढ़ाया तो 6 हो गए, 6 में एक बढ़ाया तो 7 हो गए, 7 में एक बढ़ाया तो of course 8. Very good. So you will draw your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right. Sorry, draw. Come on, do it fast. Done or not? 8 circles. So this is increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Very good, increasing pattern. Okay, now next. See, now here how many balloons are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons? 5 balloons. Okay, then here how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, here 5 are there and here 4 is there. So one is increased or decreased? कम हुआ है या ज़्यादा हुआ है? कम हुआ है. 5 में से एक को निकाला 4. Now here 4, so here 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. 3 is there. Again 1 is decreased. Then from 3, if 1 we will take away, then 2. Okay. So again 2. Then from 2, if 1 we will decrease, then what comes? How many balloon? 1. So draw here only 1 balloon. Okay, right. Come on, do it fast. How many balloons? 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so this is increasing order or decreasing pattern? Increasing pattern or decreasing? Yes, it is decreasing pattern. Understood? Now next you will do first. Okay, see, check out the picture. triangle is a common, and on that triangle this is there, circle is there. Okay, so that circles are increasing or decreasing, you see, and draw the next one. Come on, be fast dear students. Is it increased or decreased? Finish. Draw the triangle. Draw the increasing circle or decreasing circles. See, let me check. Now here triangle, and on that one circle is there. Okay, in next picture triangle, two circles are there. Here one and here two, means it is what? Increased. Okay, then here on the next triangle, three circles, again it is increased, and here in the next four circles, again it is increased. Then first common I will draw a triangle. Okay, then here 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Understood? Come on, draw. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Finish. Do it fast, students. Okay? Yes. You also wrote the same. Those who have written this, very good. Those who have done the mistake, please correct it. Finish. Next, question 2. Circle the object that continues to form the pattern, also color it. See, here they have followed the pattern, and here part is given of that pattern. Okay? So, which part is correct to follow the pattern, that you have to circle. Okay? Now, here see one triangle, 2, 3, it is increasing. Yes, no students? 1, 2, 3, increasing. Then after 3 what comes? 2 or 4? 2? No, 4. Very good. Okay? So, circle to this, and afterwards you can color. Okay? Come on, circle to the next second one. Do it fast. Done? Okay. Now we are next one. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. It is increasing. Yes, no students? 1, 2, 3. Next 4. So where are the 4 box? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you can circle, and afterwards you can color it. Okay? Come on, be it fast. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Finish. Now here 2 circles are there, small circles. Okay, here 1 means here 1 box, 1 circle. Here 1 box, 1 circle. Okay, so here that 2 is there, means 1, 1 it is increased, and here again 3 circles are there. Okay, so this is common. Yes, no students, this is common below. Here they have shown the pattern. See here 1, 2 and 3. So what comes next? 2 common. So after 3 what comes? 4. Where is 4? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is correct. Okay, and here see how many others are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 1, 2, 3 are there. So is it decreasing or increasing? कम होते गया है या बढ़ते गया है? कम यानी decreasing. 5, 4, 3. Before, if you will this one remove 1 or less 1, make less 1. What how many remains from 3? 2. So where is 2? Here. So circle this. Okay? Come on, do it. Do it fast. A second, B here first, C first and D second. Next, hot questions. Are you ready, students, for hot questions? Yes, na? Okay. Come on, observe the pattern. पैटर्न को ऑब्जर्व करो, देखो ठीक से क्या है. See, in A, 2 lines, circle, 2 lines, circle, 2 lines, then what comes here? 2 lines, circle, 2 lines, circle, 2 lines. Very good. Circle. Again 2 lines, circle, 2 lines. Okay? First tell me the answer, afterwards you can write. So this is just a pattern. It is not increasing or decreasing. Now next, 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. Okay, see what happens. What is happening? 1, 2, 3 means it is increasing pattern. Okay? So after 3 what comes? 4. So 4 lines. How many? 4 lines. Vertically you will draw or horizontal, means in standing way or sleeping way. See, this is for standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Then after 4, here 5 again standing lines, 6 sleeping lines, again 7 standing lines. Okay? Draw. Finish. Circle and 4 lines. Finish. Next, question 2. In the patterns given below, cross out the shape that is not a part of the pattern. देखो क्या करना है, नीचे पैटर्न्स दिए हैं. ओके, तो जो पैटर्न में नहीं आता है शेप, उसको हमें क्रॉस करना है. ओके, सी स्क्वायर, circle, again square. See, this 3 you can see. Okay, first square, how it is little bit bend. जो पहला वाला स्क्वायर है ना, वो लिटिल बिट ऐसे बेंड हो गया. देखो ऐसे. Okay, how it is little bit bend. Once again I will draw. Wait. See. Little bit it is bend. Okay. Then here circle. Then square. Understood? So bend, square, circle, and then again square. Then what comes here next? From first? Yes, square, this bend square. Okay, then after this bend square what comes? Circle, but here what they have given? Cylindrical shape. So this is not the part of the triangle. So I will cancel this. Okay, come on, do it. Now next, see, you can see this like this. This is there and this. So from here first, if you will take this, then this is there, and then this should be there na, this shape, but here triangle is there. So this triangle will be crossed. Okay, Finish. In first one cylindrical and next second is triangle. They are odd, means it is not there in the pattern, it is not part of the pattern. Finish. Next concept is number pattern. What students? Number pattern. See students, already when I was doing the introduction of, I was giving the introduction of patterns, that time only I have introduced you patterns we can form of anything. Patterns ये किसके भी बना सकते हैं, whether it is of shapes, figures, letters or numbers, we can form the patterns. Till now we have seen the patterns of shapes, okay, geometrical shapes and all, lines, all things. Now we are going to see the patterns of numbers. What? Numbers. Numbers पता है ना सबको? हाँ. So number patterns we are going to learn. Pattern can be made with numbers as well. Fabian is dialing Manjit's phone number, which he gave her in the morning. See, Fabian is calling to Manjit, and this is his number, which Manjit has given. You can see the number. Okay. See, when the Fabian calls, so what reply comes? This number does not exist. What? This number does not exist. Then she becomes very angry. Manjit has given me wrong number. She becomes very angry. And here Manjit is laughing. See, okay? The number that Manjit gave Fabian is not his phone number, but a number pattern. Look closely. See, the number which Manjit has given, it is not his phone number. It is just a number pattern. See, we will have a look on it. The numbers were 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, here each number is obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. Which is the first number, dear students? 2. Okay, then which is next number? 4. मतलब 2 में अगर हमने और 2 ऐड किए तो कितने मिलते हैं? 2 plus 2? 4. So 4 is next. Okay, then 6 is next, na? So in 4, if you will add 2, what you will get? 6. Then in 6 again 2, 8. In 8 2, 10. Then 12 and 14. Okay, so this is called number pattern. In this number pattern, every number is increased by 2. Okay, हर एक नंबर 2 से बढ़ाया है. कितने? 2 से. Okay, 2 से. Which two numbers should come after 14 in the given number pattern? After 14 what comes? Add 2 again. 15, 16. Okay, so 16. And again in 16 if you will add 2, 17, 18. Got it? This is called number pattern. Here in the number pattern, we have increased by 2. Next, take a look at another number pattern. 19, 16, 13, 10, 7. Okay? See, 19, 16, 13, 10, 7. What has happened here? See, here each number is obtained by subtracting 3 from the previous number. Okay? यहाँ पे इस नंबर पैटर्न में क्या हुआ है? ईच नंबर में हम 3 माइनस करते हैं क्या, 3 माइनस. ओके, सी 19 minus 3 how much, 16. 16 minus 3 काउंट बैकवर्ड काउंट करना है. 16 बिफोर यू काउंट 3 fingers, 15, 14, 13. So 13 is there. Okay, then before 13 you count 3 fingers, 12, 11, 10. So here 10 is there. Okay, then again before 10 you count 3 fingers, 9, 8, 7. So 7 is there. Okay, so what we have done, we have, yes, we have subtract 3 from the number. Okay, when two numbers should come, which two numbers should come after 7 in the given example. Okay, see what comes here after 7 now. We have decreased ना, minus किया है हमने. Okay, so 7 minus 3. Yes, 7 minus 3 what, 4. And 4 minus 3 how much, 1. So 4 and 1. Okay, understood? Counting follows a pattern. See, counting forward and counting backward follows a pattern. Okay, देखो हमने बढ़ाते वक्त क्या किया है, ऐड किया है, और कम करते वक्त माइनस. दैट यू नो ओनली. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज नंबर पैटर्न. सो नंबर पैटर्न.
Patterns can be made with numbers as well. Let us see how.
Famia is dialing a phone number which Manjeet gave her in the morning. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 4.
This number does not exist.
Manjeet,
The number that Manjeet gave Fabia is not his phone number, but a number pattern. Look closely. Here, each number is obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. We can find out which two numbers come after 14 in the number pattern by adding 2. 14 plus 2 is 16. So, the next number in the pattern is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So, the next number in the pattern is 18. Take a look at another number pattern. 19, 16, 13, 10, 7. Here, each number is obtained by subtracting 3 from the previous number. We can find out which two numbers come after 7 in the number pattern by subtracting 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So, the next number in the pattern is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, the next number in the pattern is 1.
Understood? One more time.
Patterns can be made with numbers as well. Let us see how.
Famia is dialing a phone number which Manjeet gave her in the morning. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 4.
This number does not exist.
Manjeet.
The number that Manjeet gave Fabia is not his phone number, but a number pattern. Look closely. Here, each number is obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. We can find out which two numbers come after 14 in the number pattern by adding 2. 14 plus 2 is 16. So, the next number in the pattern is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So, the next number in the pattern is 18. Take a look at another number pattern. 19, 16, 13, 10, 7. Here, each number is obtained by subtracting 3 from the previous number. We can find out which two numbers come after 7 in the number pattern by subtracting 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So, the next number in the pattern is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, the next number in the pattern is 1.
Understood, students? Number patterns. Okay? So, in this way we can form the or make the number patterns also. So, students, in our this period we have completed with our practice time, hot questions also, and we have learned what is number patterns. Okay? Further things we will see in the next period. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.